Did you guys know that the vacuum robots known as Roombas have video cameras and microphones on them? Well, hundreds of Roombas were just hacked. Not only could the hackers spy on you, they could also use the Roomba speaker to say whatever they wanted. So they were Roombas yelling the N-word. Not cool. If it were me, I would make the Roomba sound haunted. I'd be like, ooh, and making spooky sounds, scaring the hell out of people with the Roombas. I'd be using a demonic voice like, get out. There'd be chains rattling, children's crying, screaming. I'd be haunting them like, I'm coming for you. There'd be whispers, constant whispers. They would have to move. And watch them bring the Roomba with them to a new house and act like the spirits followed them. They'd be calling an exorcist on them.